Want to know how to search your files in Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Microsoft 365 application or on the web browser. You can just simply open up the website. And now, once you've opened up, you can just simply see the navigation on the top left side. You can just simply open up that. And here you should be seeing sort on top. You should sometimes be navigated by default. And now here you should be seeing quick access, where your OneDrive has saved everything regarding your videos and much more. Now in order to search anything, I can just simply type in just like this right here, and it should just pop up easily. So you can also search through various means like your quick access like recent, shared and favorites, from types, which is Word, Excel and notebooks as well, and you can also add any tab that you want. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.